Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show charging information on Android phone. So we don't need to wake up our phone to get the charging state information. And just for your information, here I'm using Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. So this tutorial is especially for Samsung users, but I hope the steps will be similar with other Android version. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we can go to our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone. And after that, we just need to go to the display setting. And here we need to scroll down until we find the show charging information. And we have to activate this feature if we want to get the battery level and estimated time until full. And we can click on the circle button to activate it. Okay, and right after we activate this feature, we don't need to turn on our screen to get the battery level and estimated time information. So I'm going to show you how it looks. Here I'm going to connect my phone with my charger. Just wait for a moment, guys. Okay, and now my phone is being charged, and I'm going to lock my screen, and this is how it looks. And I guess that's how we can show charging information on Android phone while our Android phone is being charged. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.